It's time. We are trimming today. Heading into a brand new year, what better way than to start off with a fresh start, fresh slate, fresh ends. If you've been holding on to those ends, let's get rid of them together. I have been gone for a while. Hair has gone through a lot, but I've been on the road to recovery, and that has included trimming on a regular basis. I've been trying to get back from some heat damage that I had all the way throughout the length of my hair, and so I've been trimming pretty regularly. So my issue isn't so much like unevenness, it's really just thinner ends that are bothering me the most. So let's do this. Join me. It's the top of the year. Let's get these ends fresh and clean. Let's grow our longest hair if that is your goal for this year. And trying to maximize the most of 6 inches of growth in 1 year. So that's going to be my main goal in 2024. And so what better way than to make sure we're starting off on a very fresh slate of fresh trimmed ends. If you consume natural hair content, you've definitely come across Deeper Than Hair, and she's going to be showing us how to trim our hair. I just want to take a full look of what I am dealing with at the top of 2024. Here's my hair. Maybe you have salon trauma, you don't want to go into a salon, or you just want to save your money and not have to go to a salon. It's always good to be able to take care of your own hair if you're able. So let's go ahead and treat ourselves to a little self-care day as we trim our hair and get it just perfectly prepped for the new year, and make sure that we grow back whatever we snip off stronger, fuller, and healthier. So that's the main objective. I do have my hair completely blown out because it's a lot easier to see what your ends are doing, what your length is doing, what the health of your hair is doing when it is stretched out. Just a real basic U-part sectioned out at the front and top of your head. Here is my first section. I'll show you guys my ends. Part it down the middle. At the back point of that part, you follow it down to your ear. Touch it up with the hair that was just clipped. Same thing on the other side. Follow the back point of that part down to your ear. Again, 3/4 of an inch. Next part is basically that very first part that we did, and we're taking it deeper back towards the middle of our head. So instead of the U part just being here, we're taking it's further back to the middle of our head. You guys can. Okay, pull all the hair forward. We're gonna go right from the back, create a part down the middle at the back, and just bring your hair to the front. And this is where you kind of just create some evenness. Just kind of trim off where it's feeling scraggly. An inch here. This is where all the hair doesn't feel smooth anymore. See that? It's raggedy. Let's get rid of it. Much more uneven back here, so just match the other side by taking off. Whoa. There's something so cleansing and therapeutic after you trimmed off some really dead ends, lifeless ends. Your hair immediately feels smoother, healthier. It just feels like, oh, such a release, such a relief, to the point where I really look forward to doing my trims now, especially because I can see my hair flourishing. Whatever other stresses your hair was going through, it makes such a difference, you guys. Okay, so this is what we are going into 2024 with: healthier ends than we started with, a better base than we started with. And I did go in right after recording this and just clipped off about another inch because I did feel like I could use a bit more. So yeah, I did go in and do another trim immediately after this to get my ends even cleaner. But anyway, I hope you guys will join me in a new healthy hair journey for the year 2024, whether you're currently on one, started one and fell off, or maybe this is just your sign to start. Let's fill the year doing all the right things for our hair, focusing on health to get the length. I have some natural hair videos coming very soon to help build our best routine, maximize the most growth that we can squeeze out of 2024. And yeah, just let me know down in the comments where you stand right now with your hair, what kind of journey you're currently on. And yeah, okay, love you guys, missed you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, pretties.